X21 kasim na tungtona kalung siwalian ma maili hiya tribal identity sangina Christian identity hak deu ding X21 a Paul Jerusalem zona paiding a kisak laina nungzui tele agabain akhamwa azia ka hiale Jerusalem ma paile chin siding na hi chi tu te genwa kasyang to tungtona thi sakaya wai himale Paulin ama wi china donga topa Jesu min zia ka Jerusalem khwa hen kya hilo si leng ngap ka hi topa thu hi heno achi hi kile pam thu thang te ya chiangina Jesu mina thaum Jesu mina thuak chi hi na yai tai banga tunai mama thil tung Bishop Mary Emmanuel Australia Sydney thugen lai tema dorinoma he pa hi thugen hangsan ma ya athugen he yen zol dinga.
Let me tell you this, you will never ever find anyone in heaven except Jesus Christ. Buddhists, stop chasing Buddha. I can assure you, you can say Buddha was a nice man. You can put as many oranges and apple in front of him. That will get you nowhere. Let me tell you, you can follow your 3 million gods, Hindus. They'll get you nowhere. You can follow Muhammad. It'll get you nowhere. The only one that truly is who he is Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And this has got nothing to do with Christians or anyone else. It's got to do with the truth. This is the truth. Jesus Christ is God, the creator of everyone and everything, visible and invisible. That's all I saw in heaven, him. I didn't see anyone else.
Incident dang ni kumathiltung Arizona November ni somlenga dagule minute somlenga ina Arizona street preacher Hans Smith kitchen thu again pathian thu again zekina gospel thu again zekina alwa thawin kapino mai he thu ticket komina nikuma Christianity Today in article published na a title here the 50 countries where it's hardest to follow Jesus in 2023 India din mun here where is the hardest to follow Jesus India here ring som lekhan nauma where Christians face the most violence Chinamuna India ringli nauma where Christians were martyred most Chinamuna India ring yet nauma where churches were attacked or closed most Chinamuna India ring yet nauma hi yate tungtona chiangma mai le hiya khatwei bang tribe na hiya chi sangina Khristian na hiya chi do nam dinga tampi te ni dong thei ke dinga X21 ale Paul bangjaka sia asina zia kaile a Jewish identity zia ka sia kia a Christian identity zia ka sia zoya a Jewish identity win power le privilege apia haimale a Christian identity penina si na tunga Jesu anung zoi zakina Christian hi zakina si na tung hi zoi Paulin he to dik laina topa thu hi na chia topa pathian amuanga waima bangina kenle i topa pa pathian mon wai ka sai azia kaile dilama incident again tilaka khata Bishop Mary wa incident om lai takina atema dot sompan athat somaya himale tunga papathian in huna saknai lo zia kina tema adot line atem pin apot kia adot udza ina adot liam the kia ya hi pathian thupina latna ngai himal ka ge nut hi ai zoa di pathian amwan wai kom komina khatve na tribal identity sangina na Christian identity pen haksa ya dingai manin waya dingina kisakholin onchi nuam kai